Hello existences of society and welcome to my updated makeup tutorial. AKA if you like how my makeup looks right now, then stay because this is gonna be really quick, fast-paced, and I'm gonna show all the products and how I use them on my face to create this look. So without any more yapping, let's get into it. Before we actually start our makeup routine, I do need to put in my eye contacts because they are enlarging, so they make my eyes bigger, which will help with the eye makeup. I do my eye makeup in a way to make my eyes bigger. I already prepped my skin with moisturizer and sunscreen, which you should not leave the house without, by the way. And now we can start the makeup. Okay, so first we're going to start with foundation and concealer. This is the foundation that I use, and just like put it all over your face, one palm, to get your skin tone more even. Then the concealer under my eyes, on my forehead to hide my acne, a little bit on my chin, in my nose folds, and on the tip of my nose. Now your face should look very much flat. Next step is powder, so just take loose powder with a powder puff and put it, basically whatever you put your concealer beforehand. Then I let it sit for like, it should be around 1 minute, but I don't think I let it sit for that long this time. And then I take a brush and I spread it out on my face. Moving on to blush. I like to put my blush pretty high up around my eyelids and also on the tip of my nose. Do I have blush blindness and this is low-key giving 2020? Yes. Do I care? No, because it's gonna fade. Like by the end of this makeup look, it's not gonna look as crazy anymore, so it's fine. We will clean that up later, but for now we're moving on to contour. This is the palette that I'm using, lightest one. Take a contour brush and go on your cheekbones, drag it down like this, and then go to the side of your face and contour your jawline like that. Other side, cheekbone, drag it down, and now take that same shade and go on the sides of your forehead. Now we're gonna do nose contour. So take a brush like this, flat and straight. Take the darker shade of the palette and go right beneath your nose and right here. Close it in from the side. You're basically gonna have a triangle on the tip of your nose. Go upwards on your nose bridge, and with the lighter shade, circle your eye and connect your eyebrow to your nose contour. Blend it out. Now take the light shade of the palette that's supposed to be your skin tone or even lighter than your skin tone. Put it right on the tip of your nose where you left that empty spot, and on the bridge of your nose. Also on the sides of your nose like this to clean up your nose contour. Now it's gonna look something like this. To blend it further, take your blush brush. Just use the blush that's already there and go over your nose contour. Then to clean everything up, I take my powder puff with my powder and I put it on the sides of my nose like this. And while you're at it, you can also add a bit more powder to your T-zone if you have oily skin. Clean up your blush and contour a little. I'm using pressed powder, by the way. Now take your eyebrow pencil and fill in your eyebrows. I like to put it like this and then see where my eyebrow is supposed to end. Right here. My eyebrows aren't even, they're not symmetrical, so I just do that to be able to tell, and then I fill that in. And now using the same eyebrow pencil, I'm just gonna start making fake freckles with it on the bridge of my nose and the sides of it. Right where you put that contour, you're gonna go in with fake freckles, and then also fade it out on the middle side of your face and a little bit on your cheekbones. If you need to blend it out, just blend it out with your fingers. Now that you have your fake freckles, we can move on to highlighter. I'm still gonna use the same one from the palette with the contour, and I just take it on my finger, do my little nose exclamation point on the tip and bridge, then my inner corners, and I kind of go upwards beside the nose contour but focus it in my inner corners. Also my eyebrow arch and my cupid's bow, although this is gonna get erased really quickly, but oh well. And then obviously your cheekbones. Finally, we have arrived at the eyeliner, the most important part of my whole makeup routine and my favorite makeup product. This is gonna be hard to show on camera. I'm gonna try my best. You take a liquid liner. I have the NYX one, preferably with a brush tip because it's easier than a felt tip, but you can work with a felt tip too. Put a point at the very end of your eye. See how your eyebrow arch goes? Put your eyeliner like this and then just draw a line towards your eyebrow arch. By the way, this tutorial is for people who have hooded eyes because I have hooded eyes. Then keep your eyes open, look straight ahead, and bring that line onto your eyelid like this. That's the first step. Leave it like that for now. And you're gonna do the inner corners, so make a line, not following your eye line from above going downwards and not following your under eye line going straight like this horizontally. No, you're going to go diagonally between the two eye lines, so just like that. And then connect it, both the eye lines. Do so on the other side, just like this. Now take another eyeliner or an eyebrow pencil or anything that's not the color black, just like something brown, or I have this burgundy color, and we are going to enlarge our eyes with it. So you need to go down, connect it to your eye line like so. Fill this side in. That's gonna be your new eye line, and then also connect it to the inner corner line. Do the same to the other eye, just like this. And don't worry, I know it looks a mess right now, but now you're gonna take back your black eyeliner. With your eyes open, you're just going to go from the black line downwards a little on your fake eyeline like this, and then you're gonna close it to the side of your eye like this. Look straight ahead and do that. Close the line like this. So now there's like a direct line with no interruptions. Do the same to the other eye. Now when you look from straight ahead, if you want to add more to the middle, go ahead. And now your eyeliner looks good from the front, but when you blink, it's gonna look something like this. So go ahead and connect it, fill the gaps in. Now it's gonna look something like this, but you don't care. This is what happens when you have hooded eyes and you want to do this type of eyeliner. It just needs to look good when you open your eyes and you look straight ahead. And then when you blink, that's not your problem, because you're not gonna stay with your eyes closed. You're gonna stay with them open, right? That's not your problem. Now you can take a little bit of eyeshadow and blend it out, or you can take your contour brush with some contour and use that as well. I'm just gonna take this rosy pink color. This is the eyeshadow palette that I'm using, and blend it into your eyelid. And I had some fallout here, so I'm gonna make it look intentional and just do this to the bottom side of my eye. Smoke it out. Pretend like that's completely intentional. Nobody's gonna know, except for everyone watching this video. And I'm also gonna take some sparkles. This shade is like my favorite eyeshadow in the whole world because look, on my inner corner too. It's gonna look even more crazy in sunlight, just you wait. Life's too short to not put glitter on your eyelids before you leave the house. I low-key like put a little bit on my nose as well and on my eyebrow arch. It's just so pretty. Like I just use it as highlighter as well because but that step is unnecessary if you don't have it. Now if your eyeshadow made your eyeliner less black, or if it like faded it out too much, you can go back in with a second layer. It's supposed to look something like this. Now you're just gonna put on mascara. If you're not gonna put on fake lashes, curl your lashes first and then put on mascara. I honestly can't be bothered because I just wear falsies after. Make sure that your brush grips your eyelashes and then turn it a little bit and wiggle it as you're going outwards. And do the same to your lower lashes, just a little. And now because you drew a new fake eyeline for yourself, you're not gonna have lower lashes where your eyeline ends. So I take my eyeliner and I draw on like 1 or 2 fake lashes on the side, just like this. Where your lower lashes like end here, just go and draw it like that. Now it looks like your lower lashes go with your fake eyeline, you know? Do a second coat on your upper lashes. And now I take a brown eyeliner, or like this is a freckle pen, but you can do this with a brown eyeliner. And I accentuate my beauty marks because they've been covered in foundation. So I have one here and I just draw over it, another one here, and I also draw a fake one right here and one right here on my nose. If you have any acne anywhere on your face and it like sticks out a little, you can just draw a beauty mark over it and then it looks like a beauty mark and it doesn't look like acne anymore. So I drew one right here on my forehead because there was some texture, and now that's gonna distract from the texture. Drench your face in setting spray. If your mascara smells smudges, you're going to do this before you put on your mascara. But I find that mine is like fine even if I do it after. Now I'm gonna put on fake lashes, so I'm just gonna take some lash glue, put it on the tip of my finger, put it on my eyelid. It's easier to put the lashes on if you let the glue dry for a minute, so while that dries on my eyelids, I'm going to take my lip stain. I love this one from NYX. And I'm gonna contour my lips. The bottom of my lip like this. And then go up a little. But not all the way. I smudge it the rest of the way there. And then my cupid's bow. This one I do take all the way. And then go a little bit outwards on my mouth corners. Fill in my upper lip. And then I just like smudge it out a little. I don't like how it looks like when it's clean, honestly. So that's gonna stay there all day long. And now the glue has dried, so I can put on my falsies. I just take them with my fingers and just do that. Now I do turn the corner a little up to follow my eyeliner. Other side. These are just half lashes. I used to wear full fake lashes, but they annoyed the hell out of me on my inner corner because they kept like poking my eye. Life is way easier with half lashes. I just got them off of AliExpress, by the way. Very cheap. Now I can take lipstick or honestly just put a gloss on. I have like Pillow Talk Light by Charlotte Tilbury and go over your lip. Once again, sometimes I even just do like a clear lip gloss, like it doesn't matter. Put something over that lip liner, just anything. And this is the finished makeup look in direct sunlight, by the way, so you can see the beauty of that eyeshadow that I showed you. This is what I do every single day. It usually takes me about like half an hour. All the products that I used are linked in the description of the video, so you can go get anything from there. If you try out this makeup look, tell me what you think of it. Tell me how it looks on you. I'm sure you look gorgeous. Hi, it's been like 10 hours, I want to say, maybe a bit more than that, I'm not sure, but this is how my makeup looks. I've been to the mall the whole entire day and I wanted to do a makeup check-in to show you how it looks like, considering I've not retouched it at all. I've only reapplied lip gloss and that's it. No powdering, no nothing. This is just how it looks like. I don't even think you can notice that it's been a few hours. Look at my eyeshadow, so pretty. If you like this tutorial and you would like to see more, you might want to subscribe, because on this channel we are all about becoming exactly who we want to be in terms of personality and look. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!